Caucasian Shepherd. The Caucasian Shepherd is an Eastern European dog breed, bred for protecting and herding livestock. This big dog breed can be over 30 inches at the shoulder, and its large size meant that it was great at protecting flocks and herds against predators in the Caucasus mountain region. Best suited to experienced owners due to their stubborn nature, they can also be quite territorial of their home and dislike other dogs or strangers near their property. However, with proper training and socialization, the Caucasian Shepherd can make a kind and friendly family dog. Great Dane. Created as a result of a cross between the English Mastiff and the Irish Wolfhound, it should come as no surprise that the Great Dane is among the tallest of dogs. Standing at around 30 to 34 inches tall, this big dog breed was bred by German nobles for the purpose of hunting large game such as boars and protecting their estates. In today's world, Great Danes are known for their kind and playful natures, and they make excellent family dogs. Neapolitan Mastiff. The Neapolitan Mastiff is an intelligent and quite giant dog breed that was originally bred for guarding homes in southern Italy. They have an unusual appearance with heavy, loose skin, designed to protect them in case of an attack. These oversized lapdogs are usually around 31 inches tall at the shoulder and thrive off human contact, so they are best suited to family life. You'll have to be able to handle a lot of drool though, as their huge, droopy jowls mean that they are prone to slobbering. Anatolian Shepherd. According to the American Kennel Club, the Anatolian Shepherd is an ancient Turkish breed that dates back to around 2000 BC. Originally bred to protect flocks and property, this giant dog breed is actually still used for that purpose today in its homeland of Turkey. Standing at about 32 inches tall, the Anatolian Shepherd has quite a long lifespan when compared to other big dog breeds, with an average of 13 to 15 years. Leonberger. The Leonberger looks like a big, adorable fluff ball. Commonly around the 30-inch mark, this big dog breed is strong and smart, and is most commonly used for tracking and herding. They are best suited to more seasoned owners with a knowledge of training, as without obedience training they can become destructive. When well trained and socialized, the Leonberger makes an excellent family dog, but they can be sensitive, so they are not always suited to very young children. Dog de Bordeaux. Also referred to as a French Mastiff, this big dog breed is usually 24 to 26 inches tall and has an unusual wrinkled appearance. Considered to be a descendant of the ancient livestock guardian breed Molossus, the dog de Bordeaux has had many different uses over the years. From hunting large game on French estates in the 12th century, to cattle driving, and even being a fearsome war dog, this giant dog breed has been there and done it all. Newfoundland. If you have heard of this giant dog breed, it's probably due to their love of swimming. Known for being excellent lifeguards and fantastic at water sports, the Newfoundland even has webbed feet to give them an edge in the water. Usually standing between 27 to 29 inches tall, they are highly intelligent dogs, and their lifeguard history is so deeply ingrained that they are known to try and save their family members if they spot them swimming. Newfoundlands have incredibly loving natures, and their big and fluffy looks make them ideal for snuggling up with. Saint Bernard. Many often wonder about the reason behind the name of the Saint Bernard, and it's usually thought to be attributed to their angelic temperaments. But did you know that they were actually bred by a Swiss monastery? Their large size, usually between 28 to 30 inches, meant they were perfect for protecting the sacred land. However, it was soon discovered that they made incredible search and rescue dogs in the Swiss Alps, and their kind face and soft eyes meant they were a very welcome sight to lost travelers. To this day, They are still used in search and rescue operations throughout the world and are now one of most loved big dog breeds, thanks to their loving and docile temperament. Irish Wolfhound. Like the English Mastiff, the Irish Wolfhound also stems from formidable roots. Previously used for wolf hunting, hence the name, this giant dog breed was used in wars to drag men off of horses and chariots. As you can expect, Irish Wolfhounds are very strong and they can be up to 32 inches tall, yet they are actually big softies at heart. With a shaggy appearance and gentle eyes, this big dog breed is great with children and other dogs, but they are quite high energy, so you'll need to ensure they get plenty of exercise. English Mastiff. Standing between 27 to 35 inches tall and weighing around 200 to 230 pounds, the English Mastiff is among the biggest dog breeds alive today, in both height and weight. Known throughout history for its fearsome beginnings, this breed is descended from ancient war dogs and now roams sofas around the world and makes a loving family member. When they're not snuggled up with their favorite humans, this giant dog breed is also used for security, police and military work thanks to their high intelligence.